Ginawa na ng Sports Leadership Award ng Commission on Higher Education ang GMA Network para sa ambag nito sa larangan ng sports. Sa ginanap na Second Annual Tertiary Sports Leaders Congress ng CHED, kinilala ang kolaborasyon ng GMA Network para sa pag-cover ng iba't ibang sports programs at events ng CHED. Pinuri ni CHED Chairman Prospero de Vera ang pagtampok ng kumpanya sa buhay ng mga atletang Pinoy. Sabi naman ni GMA Senior Vice President and Head for GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, magpapatuloy ang GMA Integrated News sa pagsuporta sa mga atleta at sa paglaganap ng sports sa Pilipinas. Importante rin daw ang paggamit ng social media at mga digital platforms sa larangan ng palakasan na binigyang diin sa GMA Masterclass, the Social Media Literacy Series.
Sa GMA Network, we believe in the value of sports, and its ability to inspire and bring communities together. Voicing our commitment to a mas malaking misyon, mas malawak na paglilingkod sa bayan. Kasama dito ang pag-push namin ng Philippine sports.
What GMA has done in documenting the life stories of athletes is really commendable. And it is important because it is done in an assembly where we have put together all the sports directors, the coaches, the sports officials of all the universities in the country. Para sila din, pag nakita nila yan, they can start thinking of how they can do the same for promotion of athletes in their respective areas.